Kumusta kayo? Kumusta yung 30-day fitness challenge ninyo? So, ang susunod na clip ay yung mga ginawa ko for the past 30 days. And yung goal ko is weight loss, and sana may changes talaga sa katawan ko and may good benefits din siya sa health ko. So, panoorin. So, hi guys! Ngayon, ang start or day 1 ng ating 30 days fitness challenge. So, gagawin natin to together with my students. Hopefully, maging committed tayo. And hi!
You can change your hair like you can change your clothes.
Hey guys! Ito yung day 2 natin ng 30-day fitness challenge. Hi guys! Day 3. So, hi guys! Day 3. Guys! Day 4. Hi! Another day, another sleigh. Guys, this is our day 6 of the 30-day fitness challenge. Say hi! So hi guys, day 7 ngayon ng ating 30-day fitness challenge. And yeah, alas 4 na naman. So hi guys, day 8 natin ngayon. Grabe. Hi guys, this is my day 9. Hey guys, day 10 ngayon ng ating 30-day fitness challenge. Hi guys. It's already 12:50 and nag-walking ako. Guys, this is our day 12 of the 30-day fitness challenge. Hey guys! So, ngayon yung ika-day 12. Hi guys! It's our day 13 of the 30-day fitness challenge. Hi guys! It's our day 14 of the 30-day fitness challenge. Hi guys! Ngayon, ang ika-15 days or nakakalahati na tayo para sa 30-day fitness challenge. Hi guys! Today is day 15 afternoon session. Hi guys! So, ngayon, ang ika-day 16 ng ating 30-day fitness challenge. And so hi guys, today is the day 17 of our 30-day fitness challenge and alay lakad tayo. So hi guys, so bale day 19 na to ng ating 30-day fitness challenge. So hi guys, this is our day 19 of day 20 of our 30-day fitness challenge. So hi guys, today is the day 21 of our 30-day fitness challenge. Hi guys, it's day 22 natin. Hey guys, today is our day 22 pero walking kasi baldado yung aking kapal. Sorry guys. Today is the day 23 of our 30-day fitness challenge. So hi guys, day 23 ng ating 30-day fitness challenge. So hi guys, day 24. So hi guys, today is our day 25 of the 30-day fitness challenge. And 5 days na lang, tapos na guys. 25 out of 30 na tayo. So ilang araw na lang. Hello. So today is 26th day out of day 26. Afternoon. Kanina nag-walk. So hi guys, day 27 na natin ngayon. Ilang araw na lang. Hi guys, day 28 na natin ngayon. And kahit masakit yung ulo ko, tuloy-tuloy lang. So hi guys, day 28 afternoon sesh with Mom Chin. So hi guys, good morning. So bale ngayon ay ka-29 day na natin para sa 30-day fitness challenge. So hi guys, day 29 afternoon session. So let's go. So hi guys, ito day 30 na natin yun. And saktong alas 4 tayo lumabas. Kasi alas dapat siya. So, yun. Hi guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa Lampito Beach sa Baras para, you know, mag-unwind and mag-swim. Then, yun, dahil ngayon ang ika-30 day ng ating 30-day fitness challenge, kailangan natin i-celebrate kung ano man ang dapat nating i-celebrate. Kasi I feel that I need to celebrate little milestone. Parang nagbawas kasi ako ng 9 kilos. From nung nagsimula ako ng day 1, tapos ngayong ika-day 30, 9 kilos yung nabawas ko. Kaya feel ko, kailangan kong kumain ngayon ng medyo marami o yung tama lang. Then yun, mag-enjoy. Bye! Hi guys! Tapos na natin yung 30-day fitness challenge. And syempre, isi-share ko din sa inyo yung mga changes sa kilo and sa physique ko. So, ipapakita ko yung before and after. Ito. Yung sa timbangan naman. So balik class, hindi ako nag-restrict sa diet ko. Kinain ko lang kung ano yung gusto ko. Basta in moderation lang, yung tama lang na measurement. Tapos everyday ako nag-exercise, minsan twice a day, morning and afternoon. Nag-focus lang ako sa cardio, specifically walking and jogging kasi ang goal ko, weight loss. And hopefully, kahit kayo, gawin nyo din yung challenge, not just bilang requirements, but for your health, para sa sarili na rin ninyo. Bye!